Guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Carving with Brian. So today we're gonna dig through the wood pile and we're gonna let the wood tell us what it wants to be. Alrighty guys, let's take a look and see what we can find. I'm gonna look through here. Hmm. Alright. I think this is the piece. Anyways, yeah, let's get you guys set up. Let's figure this out. Probably just do a wood spirit. That's what I like to do on the night, like pieces of wood that I find out in like nature, like just makes sense to me. Anyways, yeah, let's do a wood spirit. Okay guys, so this is I'm not sure what kind of wood this is. It might be a fence post, who knows. I found this out in the middle of the Mojave riverbed. And anyways, I think we need to sand this up so we can actually draw on it. Because right now it's got like a bunch of gunk on it and whatever. So let's just get this cleaned up and then we'll figure it out from there. So I've gone ahead and sanded it up. Let's see here. Be nice if I had a pencil, but I only got a marker. So anyways, we're gonna find the center line. And my son's out here with me right now. He's over there talking. Anyways, center line. We're gonna get the nose. We'll put it about here. Let's see. Just want to make sure your nose is even. This wood is like really soft. Like if I push it, it leaves a dent. So I'm not gonna use like the cut saw or my taper burr. Those are pretty aggressive. I'm gonna try to use this little aluminum cutter, but this one's kind of dull, so I don't think it'll be as aggressive. It's a little round one. So anyways, we're just gonna go over the outline. And I'm going to use this one for now. I might switch in a little bit, but for right now, this is what we're going to use. Let's see how it works. Okay guys, this is some really soft wood. So we're gonna take this little flap sander and we're just gonna sand them up real good. You can see I've got them pretty much carved in. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna take my sander and give them a good sanding, and then we'll go from there. Let's go ahead and finish them up. If you guys have seen me use this bird before, this is just the straight aluminum cutter. We're going to go ahead and cut some hairs in and maybe try to touch up this eye a little bit. This one kind of blew apart on me, so we might have to go a little deeper on that one. Anyways, so let's go ahead and throw some hairs in. Throw some hairs on his head, throw his beard hairs in, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, one last quick little sand just by hand, just to get all the little fuzzies off, you know. And then we're gonna go ahead and stain this guy up. Alright. We're going to go ahead and use the red mahogany. Shake it up really good. We use this little sponge here. And stain them up. We're just going to stain them up really good, and then we'll sand them one last time, kind of lightly. Get all the high points. Excuse me. Just make a big old mess, guys. Might as well stay in the back as well. Now it's real important, guys, when you're staining, make sure you get it all over your workstation and all over your hands. I mean, if you didn't make a mess, did you really stain anything? Always use way more stain than what you think you need. So the bigger the mess, the better. Okay, now let's find a rag. Make sure you put your lid back on. And then we'll take some sandpaper. Yeah, we're gonna have to let this dry for a minute, and then we'll come back and sand it. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and we got the little flap sander hooked back up. We're just gonna real lightly go over them. Okay. Alrighty, guys, he's done. He's turned out pretty dark though. Well, this wood is like really soft and it really sucked in the stain. So I tried to sand it to try to get some of those high points out, but I'd have to sand really, really deep. So I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I still like it. It turned out pretty cool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to share it with your friends. Leave a comment below if you'd like to see me carve anything. I'm always open for suggestions, something new. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Keep carving.